Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem American Express gift card on Amazon. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem an American Express gift card on Amazon, the first step that you need to do is activate your Amex gift card. Make sure Amex gift card is activated. You can do this online at Amex gift card activation or by phone using the number of the card. The next step is to check balance. To do it, simply head over to your browser, then on the search bar type in American Express gift card, activate and card or check balance, then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Here what you need to do is enter your card number, then enter the expiration date, your CVV number, and then simply tap on continue and make sure it has enough funds to cover your Amazon purchase. The next step is to add the gift card to Amazon by simply heading over and on the search bar typing in Amazon.com, then be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down until you find your payment section or simply tap on see all options. Then scroll down and you'll find the payment section, and all you gotta do is select your payments option. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is just simply type on add a payment method. Then under the add a payment method option, select add a credit or debit card. Then enter the card number from the front of your Amex gift card, expiration date, CID or security code, 3-digit code on the back, and then simply tap on add and continue. Then when checking out, select your Amex gift card as a payment method, and if your purchase exceeds the card balance, you need to add another payment method for the remaining amount. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.